Eestisse saabus rohkem kui 130 ühikut Ühendkuningriigi maaväe tehnikat, mis kuuluvad Eestisse saabuvasse NATO lahingugrupi relvastusse.
So the main weapons that I've brought out are the Challenger 2 main battle tank, which is what you can see behind me. We've also got the AS-90, which is a self-propelled gun howitzer type. And then we have the lighter armoured vehicles, which the Warrior and the CVRTs, which have got smaller cannons on. As well, with those we've also got a lot of supply vehicles, transport vehicles as well.
Tehnika jõudis Paldiski sadama kaudu Eestisse täna varahommikul.
They loaded into Southampton in the UK last week. The vessel then called in Emden in Germany, and then obviously has arrived here this morning for the offload.
Edasi transporditakse saabunud tehnika esimese jalaväebrigaadi Tapa linnakusse.
The battle group's main use of these will be exercising within Estonia, but obviously they're going to go out to Tapa and they'll form part of the enhanced forward presence of the NATO battle group that are based here in Estonia. From my personal point, it's been really good. So I work with the Estonians, so I'm not based with the British headquarters. I work with the Estonian MOVCON and their regional command. You can see today, looking around the port, it's a very big joint effort. We've got Estonians and British working hand in hand, whether it be the Guard Force, whether offloading vehicles. It's really good, and they can't do enough for us. It's probably one of the best nations I've worked with actually for cooperation.
Meie liitlasi ja nende tehnikat oli teiste seas Paldiskis tervitamas ka Briti suursaadik Eestis Teresa Puber. Sõdurileht leidis sadamas asjatamas ka Briti armee naisi.
So I've been a movement controller for nearly 14 years. So mainly I've been working on the air side of things. So I don't get to do port very much. So it's nice to be able to do it for a change. But yeah, mostly I've been dealing with air flights. Right now I'm running the port task group, so the offload of the ship and then arranging all the vehicles to dispatch them for their onward move.
Eestis viibib juba üle 200 Ühendkuningriigi ja 50 Prantsuse kaitseväelast. Ülejäänud lahingugruppi kuuluvad kaitseväelased ja nende tehnika saabub Eestisse lähinädalate jooksul.